Welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things, guys. I am back again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about and reviewing the new NYX Utopia palette. I know they come in a smaller one, but I had to get the big one. I needed. I was like, ooh, it's calling me. Came to Old Town, I said, give me. So before I get all into it, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. Oh, and also before I start though, we are going to be talking about the new Morphe glosses that just came out as well. So that's going to be included. So this is a finished look that I came up with from the palette. I really actually like this palette a lot. With NYX products, I do like a lot of different products. Some shadows are a hit, some are misses, but this one actually was a hit. It gives you so many different options. Like, look at that. Sorry, you'll see my ring light in the back, but look at all of this. Like, all of those colors. To me, each corner is like its own little palette. So if you wanted to hit up each corner and just, okay, I want kind of richer berry warm tones. Over here you want cooler darker smoky tones. Up here it's light kind of earthy tones, and over here is a little bit of light kind of pastel-y tones. In the middle is kind of like a mixture, so you get 2 extra palettes. So in my eyes you get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bout palettes within one whole thing. So this guy ended up, I believe this was around $30, I believe, because on Ulta I used my coupons and my points and all that. But I believe this was around like maybe 35. Yeah, I believe it was around like $35, $30. I believe fully worth it, especially with the coupons and everything. I believe it's worth it because this is so big, so many different options you can play around with it. I just kept swatching and playing with it. I was like, what colors I want to use? What's funny is I love, like, I don't like plastic too much, especially with my nails. I can't really like get in there, and I always feel like I'm gonna pop it on the side. But with this palette, I don't know if you can see it right here, this little band right there, it literally just popped and she's open. I was like, oh, okay, NYX, okay. I said, y'all doing a little something. I said, that's cute. But I actually did love that little clamps. That was, when I first got it, I was like, well, you're looking out for the long nailed girls. I actually like that a lot. So let's get into the colors. So you guys already seen the video or the tutorial earlier with me showing the colors that I used, and they were very easy to blend out. Very, very easily pigmented, like very highly pigmented. And maybe because I went with darker colors this time, but it really, I wanted to try this green. I wanted to try this green so bad. You know, that one right there, and that's what we got on the eyes today. You know, we got a mixture of 2 greens. I just had to try that. I had to try, you know, this kind of burnt orange. That was the first color you guys see in the video. I really love it. It's just so pretty. I like mustard yellows and mustardy browns. I love that because to show up on me or give me some kind of dimension, like with my eyes here, that's a really good color. Like really good color for people that have a yellowish or olive undertone skin. It's really good. And it's a good lighter brown for people that are more melanized as well. It's really pretty just to add that as a base, as a transition color. Like mine kind of was the beginning background color of everything. Of course, I love the purple. Purple, of course. Besides all of that, I did love the lighter, that lighter wash color right here that I did use. Oh, my nail got in it. Oh, snap. Wait a minute, fix it. Let me do just some swatches on my hands a little bit. Oh, look at that one. Going to this deep purple, baby. Let's get into this one. Woo! Okay, we're doing a look with those two shimmers alone. Anything else in this palette? Like I said, I will go grab it. Different options. You also have light, you have rich colors. You have all these different colors and things. Now, it is a bigger, kind of bulky palette, but I think it is really worth it. You can create a lot of looks with this palette. So, that's going to be my review for the NYX Utopia. This is the fuller size palette they just came out with a minute ago, and I recommend to grab it. It's a really good, very unique color story. Kind of gives you multiple palettes within one. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the Morphe gloss. Now they came out with about 3 new colors. One is called It's a Vibe. The other one is called, I believe, Attention. And this one I have is Famous. So this one is supposed to be kind of like a, let's say a lighter kind of brown. Yeah, a very lighter kind of brown. You probably can't see it on my hand. Well, yeah, like a light kind of brown, a light coffee brown, and it has little shimmers in it. I don't mind it. Like so on my lips, it's really pretty. It looks more just sheer, and the sparkle come out like a little bit. But I bet if I line this with like a deeper liner, it would make it even pop. Like I feel like it would be a lighter nude on me. A silver to a little bit of gold mixture glitter inside of it. So on the lips, you know, you see like, oh, it's clear, but then you look really closer, you see like a little specks of glitter here and there. So I think that's really pretty, really cute. To me, these two together was like a cute little combo. Thank you guys again for watching Nelly Doing Things. Don't ever forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Bye.